Namaskar students, Pramod Sharma is here back with you all with another exciting video from the chapter of the cost. Well, without wasting your time, आज मैं आपको concept clear करूंगा एक topic का and the name of the topic is marginal cost. But I think you know it very well that today nowadays what we are watching that CBSE is going on deducting the syllabus. But economics एक ऐसा subject है जहां हम topic को छोड़ नहीं सकते. So in order to understand the concept of marginal cost, वेट क्या मैं करने वाला हूं आज आपके लिए एक ऐसा शेड्यूल प्रेजेंटेशन देने वाला हूं जिसकी मदद से 1 मिनट के अंदर कांसेप्ट ऑफ मार्जिनल कॉस्ट समझ में आ जाएगा. जी हां, आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट अ स्मॉल टेबल बाय व्हिच यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द कांसेप्ट ऑफ मार्जिनल कॉस्ट इन अ वेरी ब्रीफ मैनर. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर दैट आई हैव टेकन टोटल 5 columns, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. In the first column, what you are going to take? You take here Q. Q is called as the what? Quantity. And we are going to measure the quantity in units. Okay, what values you are going to take? You start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In the second column, what we are going to take? We are going to take the total fixed cost in rupees. Remember it, that total fixed cost is the cost which is fixed at any level of output. Whether it means that even though the output is 0, the cost will remain fixed. So let us assume that we are going to take total fixed cost as 10 and see the condition everywhere. The TFC, that is called total fixed cost, is same, that is called 10. In the next column, what we are going to do? We are going to take the total variable cost. Remember it, when output is 0, student, lock in your mind that variable cost is also 0. So TVC, that is called total variable cost. Got it? 0. Variable cost is 0 when output is 0. But TFC can never be 0 when output is what? 0. Got it? After that, see what I am doing here, 0, 9, then 17, then 23, then 27, next 31 and last you can take the value, how much? 38. Now you will have a doubt, sir, how we are actually putting the values? Students, you must lock in your mind at the beginning only that the slope of marginal cost will be U-shaped curve. It will be U-shaped curve, okay? So what we are doing, we are adjusting the value of total variable cost so that the value of marginal cost should come initially. How? It should decrease initially and then it should go up. The question is how we are actually going to bring the concept of marginal cost. Let's come back again. Total fixed cost and then total variable cost. Now what we are going to do? We are going to take the total cost in the next column. So total cost is the sum total of TFC plus TVC. Okay, total fixed cost plus total variable cost. What is the value of total fixed cost here? 10. Here 0. If you add 10 plus 0, you get the value 10. Again 10 plus 9, how much? That is the 19. Again 10 plus 17, how much? That is the value 27. Again 10 plus 23, how much? That is the value 33. Next 10 plus 27, how much? That is the value 37. Again 10 plus 31, so it becomes how much? 41. And last 38 plus 10 कितना होता है? 48. Next, at the last column, what you are going to do? You are going to use the formula of marginal cost. See, marginal cost is equals to delta C. Delta C means change in the cost divided by delta Q. So delta Q actually means change in the quantity. Okay, marginal cost, how are you going to define? There are two ways by which you can put the definition. Marginal cost can be defined as change in total cost due to the change in one more unit of output. There is another definition. Marginal cost मतलब होता है additional cost incurred to produce additional unit of output. Let's come back now again. See here, Initially when the output is 0, total cost is how much? 0. So at the beginning, what you can do? You put a straight away what? A dash. After that, see, when you are going to produce one more unit of output from 0 to 1, so how much is the change coming? 1. What is the change coming in the total cost? That is 19 minus 10. How much? That is 9. Again, 1, 2. That means 2 minus 1. Again, when we are producing one more unit of output. So what is the change here? 27 minus 19. How much? You are going to get 8. Again, when you are going to produce the third unit of output, 3 minus 2, it means we are going to produce one more unit of output. So what will be the change again here? See, 27 and next value is how much? 33. So 33 minus 27. How much you are going to get the value? That is 6. So this is another changing the total cost. Again, 4. Again 4 minus 3, one more unit of output we are going to change. And again, how much is the change in the cost? 33 and next how much? 37. So 37 again minus 33. So what you are going to get the value? 4. And last again see 37 and next value is how much? 41. Again 41 minus 37. What is the value you are going to get? Again 4. And last you see 48 and 1. That means when you are going to produce the 6th unit of output, previously you are producing how much? 5. So 6 minus 5 means if you are going to produce one more unit of output, how much is the change in the cost? That is 48 minus 41. कितना आ रहा है? 7. See what we see here. Initially देखो marginal cost is decreasing. कम हो रहा है 9, 8, 6, 4 and 4 and then it is going up. So that means it is coming down. Initially it is falling down and then from here it becomes constant and then goes up. So that's what? That is the concept of what? Marginal cost. So if I ask you what is the slope of marginal cost, your answer would be, sir, the slope is what? U-shaped curve. Another question, why it is called U-shaped curve? Let's do one thing. I am going to explain the entire concept of marginal cost again with the help of a digital system. So now enjoy the digital form. So you can see the entire concept of marginal cost, definition is also given there and the table is also given there. And now you see the diagram. Okay, I think your concept should get more clear. So this is the what? Curve is what? U-shaped curve. Now you have to understand in deeply what is the slope. What is the slope? See the answer. The slope of marginal cost is U-shaped curve. In the board exam, actually what happened? You can get a question also. But nowadays what happened? This microeconomics is now shifted to class 11. So obviously there is no concept of board in the class 11th. But anyhow, for your knowledge, for your higher education, this question is very important. And what is important and what is the most important question which you can get is that why the slope of marginal cost is U-shaped curve. Okay, if you get a question of 1 marks, the answer should be due to the law variable proportion. But if you can get a question in another format, long question में अगर आता है तो आप इसको आंसर कैसे लिखेंगे? See, marginal cost initially you know it. What happened? It initially falls. Now again you can get a question. Why marginal cost falls initially? आप देखिए, it's given there. It's underlined there. Due to the what? Law. Due to the what? Due to the stage of decreasing, or you can say what? Increasing. थोड़ा सा घूमो. Cost is falling initially due to the stage of increasing return. In increasing return में what happens? In increasing return, output is increasing. Now question is whose output is increasing? Output of the variable factor. That's why it's written there where marginal product of variable factor increases. So if what will happen? If the output, if the product will increase. देखिए आगे देखिए क्या दिखा है? कॉमा देखिए. So cost क्या हो रहा है? Cost will fall. Got it? So it means if the output of variable factor, यानी लेबर अगर output को बढ़ाएगा, so cost क्या होगा? कम होगा. So initially what happened? Marginal cost is falling. Okay. However, later on what happens? Marginal cost increases. Again cost बढ़ रहा है. क्यों? देखिए underline it. Due to the what? You can see there. Due to the stage of diminishing return. I have underlined it. Please go through it again. Due to the what? Stage of diminishing return. Diminishing return में क्या होगा? Where marginal product किसका? Of variable factor. marginal product means what output. Marginal product means marginal output किसका घट रहा है? Of the variable factor, यानी labor का. If output is coming down, so what we can see again, so cost is increasing. So most important thing, student, you need to underline in your mind also, what is the slope of marginal cost. Your answer should be what? It's what? U-shaped curve. Next, why? पहला underline देखिए, due to the log variable proportion. Second, initially what happened? Marginal cost is coming down. So again, only one second underline. What it? Due to the stage of increasing return, again the cost is coming down. Third underline देखना, due to the stage of what? Due to the stage of diminishing return. Hope your concept is clear. Thanks to all of you for watching the video.